Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how you can use Gmail filters to automatically organize and sort your inbox. If your inbox is always cluttered with newsletter, promotion updates, and important emails mixed together, Gmail filters can help you regain control and save a lot of time. In this video, I will show you step by step how to create Gmail filters, set rules based on sender, subject, or keywords, and automatically label, archive, or prioritize incoming emails. So right now we have already opened our Gmail account, and this is our this is the website address mail.google.com. But if you are on the Google, you can also open it just by clicking on these three dots, or you can just simply click on the Gmail section. So it will take you to the Gmail of the inbox. I mean this kind of inbox section. Okay. So in order to if you want to organize or filter your email, you just simply click on this three dots button. Okay. So as you can see that in the filter section, you can write the from, you can fill the from section, like from which person, from which email that you have received, and you can also write the to person, to which person you have already sent. You can also sort the emails by the subject title. Okay. And if you know the description of, in that email, you can also write some word and it will automatically filter out those email with these words. And you can also have does not have words, and it will filter out. And you can also filter on the basis of the size, like greater than or less than, and you can write the size of the file. Okay. Or the email. And you can also search your designated email as per your dates from the calendars. Okay. So you can also check from here and also check from this calendar section. And you can also and make sure to apply the filter on the all mail section whenever you are doing a filtering out your email. So that's how basically you can use the Google filter option to sort out your inbox. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.